Okay guys, it's that time of year again, another big fragrance haul. I know I do a couple every single month, but I bought 3 new fragrances from Neiman Marcus. They have a pre-Black Friday sale. I'll leave all the information down below. And yeah, I got a big box here, a bunch of fragrances I bought, and a bunch of samples as well. So make sure you stay tuned. Before I start my big fragrance haul video, I do have a giveaway announcement. So I'm gonna give away 3 samples right here, and I have another decan as well of the 3 fragrances I talk about in my haul today. Follow the rules, make sure you like this video, and make sure you go subscribe to 2 of my awesome people that have YouTube channels as well. My brother Matthew started his YouTube channel. He does video games, which I'll post his channel on the screen here. And a good friend of mine, Jay, he's a fragrance reviewer. His channel is Sense of Humor. I'll post his channel on the screen here. Make sure you go follow those guys. They have great content. Come back here, leave a comment saying you subscribe to both, and let me know what giveaway you want to win, and I'll put you in the giveaway running. In the next coming up weeks, I will release my full reviews on these fragrances, and I'll post a giveaway winner in the beginning of the video on the screen here, your comment if you win. It's a US only giveaway. I do apologize. Overseas is too much money to spend on sending out samples, so I do apologize. In the future, I will try to send out more overseas giveaways. But thank you to my sales associate, Rania, for hooking me up, and my sales associate, Heather. I'll leave their information down below if you'd like to purchase any fragrances at all, whether it's during the sale or after the sale. Fragrance A is from the house of Tom Ford. This is their newest release. I know it was discontinued. They brought it back out, or they re-released it in a different color bottle. It's Tom Ford Azoro Lime. So this fragrance costs $2.95. I got it on sale. I bought 3 fragrances, so I saved around $125. I'll show you the presentation. Really nice and green, gold and green, 50 ml bottle. There we go. Opens up like this. Really nice, beautiful bottle. Nice silhouette to hold it in. Really nice. Batch code is 23195. All right. Spray it. All right. Oh, wow. So this opens up very refreshing. So the note breakdown, which I have here, ladies and gentlemen, it says there's citruses, there's a lime water infusion, woody notes, musk, have Australian sandalwood, and South African buka. So buka is kind of like this green fougere type of feel. It's a very green fragrance, very green, very fresh, and very great for the spring and summertime. Could you wear this in the fall and winter time? You could, because you're going to be probably indoors anyway. This is a great pick-me-up, grab-and-go, fresh and clean type of fragrance. I think the only con I would say is the performance isn't the best. I will test it out and give you a full update and a review, but people said you only get about a good maybe 4 hours, maybe 5, but it's a fresh and green fragrance, a great refreshing citrus with the lime. It's a beautiful scent. I really love this one, guys. You guys, if you like fresh fragrances and you want something very high quality, definitely check out Azoro Lime. This is a beautiful green bottle, and it smells amazing. This is an EDP concentration, and it's a 50 ml bottle. Fragrance B is from the house of Zerof, a new release, but I think it came out in 2016, and then now it's actually in a kind of a nice plastic bottle. It's not in a little, like this soft cloth type of feel. This is Zerof. This is Or Gold. This is a beautiful box presentation. This is a 100 ml bottle. It's going to run you about $300, or you can get 50 ml. It's going to run you $200. So Zerofs are amazing. I have a lot of Zerofs. I have Zerof. I'm trying to think what I have. I have Zerof Renaissance, and I have Kobe. Go. Beautiful box presentation. Let's open it up. Like the inside with the gold inside, the lettering. And here we go. Moment of truth. I love this beautiful Zerof box. Beautiful. Nothing in the back. Opens up. Beautiful. Beautiful presentation. This is beautiful presentation at its best. And it comes with a nice cloth too as well. So let's open it up. I love it comes with a cloth inside, which is cool, so you can put a cloth around your neck. This is a beautiful presentation. All right, put this away. Let's spray it. Look at this beautiful bottle. Beautiful. A little cold because I had it sitting to keep it cool. Here we go. Moment of truth. So I sprayed all these fragrances before at the store before I wanted to buy them. So yes, I do know about the fragrance. As soon as you spray this fragrance, you're definitely getting a freshness from the ginger. You're getting some lemon and some bergamot. Now, you do get an herb pur vibe, but I feel like it's not as aggressive in your face, heavy, like it could be annoying with the fruit sour vibe. You do get some fruitiness from the melon, but you're getting a lot of freshness as well, coming from the ginger, the lemon, and the bergamot. There's some vanilla in this fragrance, and there's some musk. I like this one over herb pur because I feel like this is more subtle. It does have a nice projection, but it's not overly quaint where like when you walk in the room, people are going to know you're wearing herb pur over this. Very calm, very smoothing, but it still projects because I got a sample at the store and I wore it out. And my fiance Kelly, her sister, one of her sisters said, "Oh, I smell really good," when I gave her a hug. So this is definitely a compliment of fragrance. It smells good. If you have herb pur, you may not want to get this one. If you feel like you want a toned down one that's not aggressive in your face, definitely check out Aura Gold. This is just awesome, guys. I like the presentation. Smells good, and it has very good performance. I've never had a bad Zerof. Most Zerof last 6+ hours on my skin. This one here is going to last more than that because I've worn it from the sample. But I have a full review coming soon. If you like fruity fragrances with a little bit of freshness in it and some sweetness with the ginger and some vanilla, check out Aura Gold. Letter C is the last fragrance I purchased from this haul. This is by Rado. This is Animik. It's Eau de Parfum concentration. So this goes for $205 for a 50 ml bottle, or you can get a 100 ml bottle, double the size, for around $290. So I like Byredo fragrances. Some of my favorites are Byredo Gypsy Water is one of my favorites, all-time favorites. Byredo Balder Freak, Sunday Cologne. My friend Jerome like Young Rose. That's a nice one as well. Definitely check out Young Rose. But I feel like it's more fresh and lemony and less on the rose. But that's my own personal opinion. So, opens up with a nice silhouette with the B for Byredo. Their symbol right here, their symbol here. And on the side it says Byredo here, which is pretty cool if you can see that. Hard to see it, but opens up. A nice silhouette like this. And Malik has a little card with some information on it, which is cool. Sits in a nice little podium. Let's spray it, and I'll tell you how I feel about it. I love the magnetic cap, which is cool. Nice magnetic cap. So basically you go like this. So this opens up. Oh yeah. This opens up fresh, right? So they list notes of bergamot and lemon. So you get a nice bergamot, lemon, citrus in the opening. You're definitely getting some sway, because they list sway as a note. You're definitely getting a leather feel in this fragrance. You're definitely getting some violet. There's some mimosa as well. This is a great fragrance. Now, it does have a nice bit of fresh airiness about it, but you're definitely getting a leather feel to the fragrance, which is nice. Very smooth, very easy to wear. I like this one a lot, guys. This one is a banger. One of my favorites right now. Probably one of my top 5 favorites from Byredos. Now, let me tell you some other notes. Other notes are, I have here on paper, we have amber, sandalwood, tobacco, and tobacco leaves. Oh, this is nice, guys. You guys definitely check this out. You definitely do get a tobacco vibe in the fragrance as well. And some sandalwood. Oh, this is good. This is really banging. This is one where you're going to smell different, unique. You're not going to smell like everybody else. But I can see some people comparing it to Tom Ford. I think it's called Sway or White Sway from Tom Ford. I kind of see that vibe. But I don't know if it's the same fragrance, but it has similar note breakdown as well. This is awesome fragrance, guys. I really do like it. I think Kelly might like this. I'm not sure. What I'll do is when I do the full reviews, I'll see if I can have her in the videos with me and test it out. Or I'll let her smell it off camera and see if she likes it or not. And I give you her update in the video. But this is good, guys. If you like freshness, lemon and bergamot with this leathery touch, It's not an animalic fragrance. The name is what it is, but it's not an animalic fragrance. This is more of a typical, it's fresh, it's airy, there's a slight leathery sway vibe to it. There's some violet leaf, and then there's some sandalwood, and there's definitely some amber, and a nice bit of tobacco. I wouldn't say it's overly smoky tobacco, but you get a nice bit of tobacco, which is nice. I like this one a lot, guys. This is one where definitely, if you really like this one to make it your signature scent, I would definitely buy the bigger bottle for $2.90 because you're gonna run out as fast as spraying it. You know what I mean? But I will test the performance out. Oh, it's so good. I can't stop smelling it. But I apologize. I will test the performance out in this one and all the other 2 fragrances I got in the haul and let you know which one is my favorite out of all 3 of them, which I'll go 1, 2, 3, or I'll go 3, 2, 1. Which one is the best out of all 3? I like them all because I bought all 3 of them. But, you know, somebody's going to say, Chris, which one is your favorite? And this one here is fire. Definitely check out Byredo. This is Animalica. Thank you guys for watching another cool fragrance haul video. If you like these type of videos, make sure you support by clicking that red subscribe button down below. And make sure you hit that subscribe button that was going to be part of the giveaway. Make sure you like the video and click the bell icon to miss any future content on this channel. Be safe, everyone. I'll see you in the video very soon. Peace.